Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jayat Question. Now we are going to learn and write 10 line essay on our school. Let's start. 1. The name of our school is RPS School. 2. My school is one of the best school in the city. 3. It has many classrooms that are neat and clean. 4. Our teachers are very loving and caring. 5. We learn new things every day in school. 6. My school also has a big playground. 7. We play and have fun with our friends there. 8. There is a library full of interesting books. 9. We celebrate all festivals and special days in school. 10. I love my school very much. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.